In this lesson, we'll cover the V-Ray mesh light. The V-Ray mesh light allows us to create a light with any sort of shape or size we like. We simply create an object in SketchUp and then turn it into a mesh light. So here's how that works. Let's go into your outliner, and you'll see at the very bottom under the yard lamp we have a component called mesh light. Go ahead and select that. That'll be the top of these yard lamps. Then over here in the toolbar, click on the mesh light icon to turn those into a mesh light. Then click on the V-Ray Asset Editor and click on the Lights tab. You'll see now that we have a mesh light. Click on it and fly out this menu here. Before we make any changes, we'll get outside of the component and let's go ahead and start an interactive render. You see the mesh light here. In the lights list, go ahead and fly out this menu and you can play around with the intensity. Let's set it to 100 and let's also set the color to a warmer color. And I'll close this flyout down and I'll let V-Ray re-render the scene.